Tired of hitting that Microsoft 365 paywall every time you just want to write a paper or crunch some numbers? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to getting Microsoft 365 on your laptop, absolutely free. First, let's explore Microsoft's free trial. Head over to the Microsoft 365 website, look for a free trial offer, usually available for a month. Sign up with your Microsoft account, or create one. If you don't have one yet, remember to cancel before the trial ends. To avoid being charged, set a reminder on your phone. Next up, education. If you're a student or educator, you might be eligible for Microsoft 365 education. Check with your school or university's IT department. They often provide free access to Microsoft 365. Look for a link on your school's website or contact their tech support. You'll likely need to verify your student or educator status. Keep an eye out for promotional offers. Sometimes Microsoft partners with other companies to offer limited free subscriptions. Search online for Microsoft 365 promotions to see what's available. And there you have it, several legit ways to access Microsoft 365 without emptying your wallet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.